One of us is a doppelganger. And it's Nixie!
Me? Wait a second, I'm not acting suspicious. If I'm just the one acting suspicious, she hasn't threatened me once.
Avanger's the doppelganger!
Untie me at once so you won't live to regret it!
Something feels off here. Andres hasn't mentioned anything like once.
Andreas is the doppelganger!
Look here. After this evening, I only trust one of you. And that's him. What's your name again?
It's me!
Get him!
And now, the moment of truth. Ow! Ow!